Hey everyone, Working Weston here. Today I'm going to show you my favorite gravy recipe. It's mushroom forward and it can be made vegan. Give it a try and I guarantee you'll love it. With that being said, let's get to work. What you'll need is a pound of mushrooms. I'm using white button, but you could use any mushrooms that you like. A quarter cup of butter or margarine for vegan, a quarter cup of flour, thyme, black pepper to taste, and 4 cups of stock. Again, chicken, beef, or vegetable, depending on your personal preference. The way I like to prep mushrooms is to remove the stems and slice the caps. Then I gather the stems up and slice those too. Once all your mushrooms are prepped, get a pot out, turn it up to medium heat, and add your butter. Once it's simmering, dump your mushrooms in the pot. You'll notice water starts to leach out of them. What you want to do is cook them until this water is almost fully evaporated. That takes about 15 minutes. At this point, add in a quarter cup of flour. The most important thing here is a thorough mix. You don't want any chunks of flour, so keep stirring it up until all the flour is fully dissolved. Then you could add in a cup of broth. Give it another thorough stir until all the flour is dissolved into the broth. You're going to notice it really thickens up at this point. Now you could go ahead and add the remainder of the broth. Another thorough stirring and add in pepper and thyme to taste. At this point, all that's left to do is simmer your gravy until you hit your desired consistency. The longer you simmer, the thicker and saltier it gets. I usually simmer for about half an hour, which yields about 3 cups of gravy. My favorite thing to do with this gravy is to make poutine. Thanks for checking out my video. Like if you think it's all gravy, baby, and subscribe if you think mushrooms are the future. You can also find my live streams on Twitch at Working Weston. With that being said, I gotta get back to work. Like a fine wine. It's so good.